How to change your password on Dex-Trade. First of all, what you need to do is open Dex-Trade on your device. Go ahead and tap on menu on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you do that, tap on My Profile. You can find the option of security. Go ahead and tap on security once and you will be headed to this place over here. So just go ahead and swipe to the left and tap on account. Once you go to the account section, you can see the password option. Go ahead and tap on this icon. So make sure you have enabled 2FA or two-factor authentication, otherwise you cannot change in your password. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and tap on this pen icon. The next step you want to do is write down your old password. Once you do that, write in your new password and repeat the password once again in the third box. Once you do this, just go ahead and tap on confirm and you can easily change your password on the Dex-Trade mobile app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.